So what we normally do is if they've got their hands on their diaphragm, you're allowed to smack them because they're not allowed to put their hands on their diaphragm. If their hands are on their diaphragm, they're engaging through the upper, which means that they're sending false negatives. And we really want to make sure that that's not happening. So what I want you to do first is I want you to test the hamstring length and ask them where they feel tight. Yeah, so we've got probably about 55, 60, probably about 60 degrees. So get that benchmark that you know what they are, and then get them to bend their knee, put your hand under their heel, and place their heel right beside the patella on the other leg. So that's our position that we're going to start at. I was going to bring Greg down a little for me. So biometrics for you, like your biomechanical niceness, if you keep your elbows straight and just elevate with your trapezius, that's going to keep you, stop you from getting elbow issues, wrist issues, things like that when you're doing this actual technique. So all you're going to do is ask your client to keep their leg down. Don't put your hand on their knee. Okay, so just keep your heel down. Don't let your heel down. 1, 2, 3. Hold it.
To apply your low load muscle activation is side lying with the affected gluteus maximus on the upper surface. Make sure that the back, the buttocks, and the heels are all in approximately the right line. We've got a lovely knee bend of around 90 and a soft hip. So you can see in that position, his spine is in a straight line. He's got, as I said, that his hip is soft, so it's not fully 90. It's probably about, just less than 40, 45. And then the knees are at 90. And then the heels are together. So the heels are going to be the thing that's going to do the work. And then I'll come over here. So the two exercises, one is recline in supine, which you can do in your clinic, and I'll show you in a second. And the second one is them a take-home exercise where they're going to use either a Swiss ball or a chair, because most people don't have Swiss balls in their clinic anyway, in their home, or if they